Have a nice day, guys. Welcome back to question set 46. So this is DBMS series. We are writing DDL queries in Runbeamer school database. So now today we have to insert some data using DDL queries. So there is not any special thing or magic in this DDL query. So DDL query is also like our insert query. Now you know how to insert some data into tables using insert query. So we need to use insert query to uh, enter data to tables, but we are using command prompt to do that. So first I want to make my query in this IDSQL because it is easy for us and we can copy it and paste it on there. So let's go to our query. So today we have to insert uh, student table data, subject table data, and also teachers table data. So let's find out. So we need to insert into dot student uh, dot student ID. It is not auto. It is auto increment, so we don't need to enter some data to that column also. So we need to enter first name and student last name and student gender and student contact number and student class. All right. So now we need to enter values. So values and what are the values? Tilina Rajapaksha, male. Yeah, Tilina. So need to use single quotes here. Last name, gender, last name. Like so. First, let's enter first name and last name. Last name is Rajapaksha and last name is 9B. Enter it like that. And what is something male and you can get the number. Here. All right, now you know our query is okay. So we don't execute this on there. So let's uh, let me copy that and go to command prompt. So I'm using yeah I want to uh, I want to connect this command. I want to command the I want to connect this CMD surface to my MySQL server and database. So now I need to type this path keyword and it is equal to and MySQL folder and MySQL server 8.0 and bin folder, and now you can get the link on there and okay paste and come in next line, type MySQL and username is root and type the password. All right, now it's all right. So now we need to use our database. Before doing anything, we need to use our database because this server doesn't know what is the exact table or database. So now we want to use our database. So use run JSON run beamer PhD and semicolon. Okay. Now we can insert our data, I think. So now copy that and let's paste it on there and see what's happening. Paste it on there and yeah. Now you can go and see if it is okay. So I'm going to, yeah, now it's all right. So now we can do like that. So I'm copying that again and I want to let's get that done here. And now I need to enter those all details. So now you know how to enter that. So you need to see that I'm a little bit fast forward this video. Guys, all right. I enter all details to student table. So let's go to student table and see it's okay. So I refresh that. Yeah. Now my all details. Yeah, they added. All right. No issues found. So you can see now this is not really a new thing. New thing is we are typing in CMD service, not the high SQL tool. We don't need to use that. We can already type all the things, but it is that time wastaging because there is no any special thing to show. So use this insert into keyword and mention your database name and table name, and you need to give this table columns and enter values that this is all about. So now I enter all details. Now I need to enter subject details. So I write the code like this. Insert into mention database name dot subject table, and uh, now I need to get subject dot subject name. So values reli- religion and semicolon. Use this single quote on there. That's all. So let's go to do that, and I execute it, and also I copy that. Now need to change this name only. So religion history. Right, like that I also enter those 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, those 6 details. So watch that. I'm fast forwarding this. So now look at that. I enter all details to subject table also. And now we have another one. So need to write the query like that. So insert into uh, so no need to get the teacher ID. So because it is auto incrementing, so we need to get the first name, last name, gender, no, first name, last name, gender, contact number, and email. Email. Now we need to insert values. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have five details to enter. One, two, right. Now put this semicolon and let's enter data. So first one. Okay, now we don't going to execute this in this ID SQL tool. Copy that and go to command prompt and paste and execute this. Is okay, and again I paste. Now okay. All right, guys. Now I did that. So now our query is okay. So let's go to see that. Going to hide SQL and teachers table now. Teachers table. I don't need this query again. I don't need this. And teachers table data. Now it's all right. So we had all the data. So now you can see there is no any special thing about DDL to insert some data. Uh, New thing is we can code our database. We can code and create our database and tables. In our previous videos, we did that in graphical method and using ER diagrams. Now we can code things and create database and create relationships. So inserting data is not really special. It is all same. All right, guys. Now I'm going to wind up my video. So I will catch you guys in my 47 video. So we have another 4 videos to do and our DBMS series is over. So we got a lot of knowledge in this DBMS series. If you get some bunch of knowledge, leave a like to all videos and subscribe my channel to get more interesting contents. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.